Hello friends, in this tutorial, I want to show you how to make a very elegant balloon cloud. The main balloons I use are 12-inch latex metallic lilac balloons. So, if you're ready, let's get started. Inflate the balloons and calibrate them to 25 centimeters. Tie the balance into pairs, and then twist the pairs as I show in the video. There should be one such cluster. Then inflate 8 balloons and calibrate them to 20 centimeters. Tie the balloons into pairs and make 2 clusters. Inflate 10 balloons and calibrate them to 15 centimeters. First, tie 2 balloons together, then tie 3 balloons together. Twist these balloons, and you should have a clusters of 5 balloons. You need to such clusters. So I have 2 clusters of 5 balloons, 2 clusters of 4 balloons, calibrate to 20 centimeters, and 1 cluster calibrate to 25 centimeters. And start fixing these clusters together. I use balloon tape for fixing. Tie the balloon tape to the smallest cluster as I show in the video. Then attach the second cluster tightly and fix it with tape. Attach the biggest cluster tightly and feed it with the tape. Now, fix the clusters in reverse order in the same way. The cloud is ready, and now I'll show you how to make the droplets. I inflate 5-inch metallic balloon by 1.5 pump. I tie the balloon at the very end, then I squeeze the balloon and make 3 bubbles. I twist each of them 7 times and twist the bubbles together to fix them. Similarly, I make small clusters from a 5-inch lilac balloon. So, I made 6 small clusters of from 5-inch lilac balloons and 3 clusters from 5-inch metal balloons. I use fishing line to fix the drops. I made 3 lines with drops. I'm fixing these lines behind the first clusters and in the central cluster. A very cute cloud with droplets is ready. I'm going to show you how to attach this cloud to the wall. You will need 3 pieces of 10 cm adhesive tape and 1 balloon for modeling, size to 6/0. Attach the modeling balloon to the wall using adhesive tape. I made 2 similar mounts with a cloud. The distance between the mounts should be the same as the distance between the smallest clusters. I tie the balloon for modeling behind the first clusters. Lead strips can be used for decoration. I fixed it between the balloons. It's very simple. I'm very pleased to share my ideas with you, and thank you for watching us.